An expert on tobacco control says the government should follow New Zealand's lead and consider banning the sale of cigarettes in the future. Aboriginal elder Tom Calma told an international conference in Brisbane the problem is particularly bad in Indigenous communities, where up to 70% of adults smoke.
There's not much debate about the effects of smoking in Australia.
Tobacco has become a modern-day pest, causing disease spreading in our community. And unlike malaria, we can't protect ourselves from it with medication.
And it's a real issue in Indigenous communities, where around half of adults smoke compared to just 15% of the general population.
We don't want them being left behind as the sort of rump of smokers who continue to suffer the effects whilst the rest of the population is relieved from them.
Aboriginal elder Tom Calma says anti-tobacco campaigns haven't helped Indigenous smokers kick the habit.
The messaging hasn't always resonated with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people because some of the concepts haven't been sort of what people have picked up on.
He's hoping new campaigns and education programs will help close the gap, but says a smoking ban should also be considered.
In Australia, that's one measure that we should be looking towards. If we can get a society where nobody smokes, we'll have a much lesser burden on the health system.
But the federal government says that's not on the agenda.
We're not proposing banning. That'll be a matter that no doubt next generations of health ministers will debate, but it won't be one in my time.
The government aims to halve the smoking rate in Indigenous communities and bring the general smoking rate down to 10% by 2018. Lauren Day, ABC News.